Reveal your content in a fun, engaging way with this flipping card on scroll effect. Start with 2 elements, images or containers, one for each side of the card. Make sure they're the same size. Set your section's height high enough to give yourself room to scroll. Add another container, this will be your trigger, and place it where you want the animation to start. First, select the trigger and apply a scroll animation to the front side of the card. Set it to Out and choose the flip effect. With these settings, then apply another scroll animation to the trigger, this time targeting the back side of the card. Set it to In with the flip effect, with these settings. Now, place both card elements in a container, placing them one on top of the other. And set the container to Max Content. Finally, set the container's position to sticky. Add some margin from the top and set the offset. Make sure the trigger container is transparent. And that's it. Your cards flip on scroll. Fun, interactive, and ready to wow.